mom's driving a Lamborghini. Right naman. How does it feel, meet this driver? Bagyo na. Bagyo na to. 𝐸𝐵𝐿 𝐸𝐿, welcome to 𝐕𝐢𝐿 Pampanga guys. Para sa video na to, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Magalang, Pampanga, and we were invited by 𝐕𝐢𝐿 Private Resort. Guys, I want to show you more about this place, and if you are interested to know more about this and get an advance booking for your summer getaway or even your family relaxation, guys, samahan niyo po ako sa video na to. Let's go! So ayun nga guys, this is the first room dito po sa Villa number 2. It only has one, king size bed. It's a very large bed. Meron tayong pull out dito to extend the sleeping capacity. So this is siguro up until 6 or 8, no? It's up to you guys if you wanna, squeeze in. So ito guys, meron siyang sariling television. Let's check out this room. So ito yung ating toilet and bath. Alright. Lamig, ang ganda. So, in here guys, indoor dining table and chair. Ayan, dito naman sa likod ko is yung ating pinaka kitchen. So, you have your sink here, your stove, and then it also has its own toilet and bath. We're gonna move forward is the entertainment area or the living area. So, right now, it has a couch fit for siguro mga like 4 to 6. And then, meron tayong napakalaking LCD TV. Nandito tayo ngayon sa labas kung saan makikita natin ang ating swimming pool. So the pool has 2 sections. The first section is small. Yung tubig natin doon is actually fresh water. And then another section which is actually medium-sized pool. Dito rin guys makikita natin yung view ng Mount Arayat. So yung property natin for the Villa 2 has 2 sections. So kung ano yung dun sa first section is very identical and similar to the second section. Here at the second level, this is it guys. This is multi-function area. So dito meron tayong tables and chairs. It's actually an open area. So it has 2 sections. The first one is here and then the other one is over there. Parehong-pareho sila guys. Meron na siyang sariling television, refrigerator, some chairs. What I can say dito po sa Villa number 2 natin. So it has a great view of the rest of land or the property. Ang plano po ng mga owners natin dito, they're gonna put up a shrine here in which you can actually visit yung ating mga Mary and Jesus statues, no? They are also manufacturers of these statues. So if you're interested to, get their services, message nyo po yung fan page that is also included in this one. Just relax and meditate and enjoy life. So, welcome to 𝐕𝐢𝐿 Private Resort Villa number 1. So, nauna tayo guys dun sa Villa number 2 dahil yun ang pinaka-bago po nilang property na nag-open. So, either you pick this one or the other one. Halimbawa guys, nabook nyo po yung Villa number 2. So, this is going to be closed as well. Ibig sabihin, hindi po sila magpapabook ng ibang guest for your security and safety. So, notice guys, this is the pool area. Para sa akin, ito yung parang mga naunang style ng mga resort. This is more of nature. It has really large trees. Napakaganda ng mga landscape din nito. The pool is this one. It has a parang jacuzzi, maliit na pool sa gitna. And then it goes down. I think this is around 3 or 4 feet. We are now approaching yung pinaka-accommodation area natin. And then this spot right here, ayan, ito po yung pinaka-parking. And then here is the accommodation. So let's get inside. Here is the main accommodation area. Pagpasok po natin, it's gonna be the living room. A little bit of dining area, indoor dining area. Property has 2 bedrooms. Yung isa po is para siyang for couple. And then the other one right here is big enough Actually, yung bed natin is king size. However, you can extend yung sleeping natin dito with some mattresses over here. So, ayun guys, you can squeeze in. Hi guys! Mom is driving a Lamborghini. Hi guys!
Masarap mag-drive. Gusto mo ba?